we're going to be diving into Google's Gemini 2.0. And it's not just a simple upgrade. It's like AI went into warp speed. First off, speed. Gemini 2.0 is twice as fast as its predecessor. So that means real-time conversations with AI that feels as natural as like chatting with a friend. But hold on, because it gets even wilder. Gemini 2.0 is multimodal. What that means is it understands images, videos, audio just as easily as text. Imagine this. You're scrolling through a recipe, and instead of reading, you just ask Gemini 2.0 to show you a quick video summary. And Gemini whips up a full orchestral arrangement. It's like blurring the lines between the physical and digital world. And don't even get me started on the potential for things like shopping. Imagine showing Gemini 2.0 a picture of that awesome jacket you saw someone wearing, and it instantly finds you the best deals online. Or it listens to a podcast you're enjoying, and then recommends similar ones based on your taste. The possibilities are practically endless. But this is just scratching the surface. We're talking about AI that can analyze medical images alongside patient records, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. Imagine the impact on healthcare. Or think about personalized education, where Gemini 2.0 tailors lessons to each student's unique learning style. It's like having a personal tutor for every subject, available 24/7. We're talking about a revolution in how we learn and interact with information, and doesn't just, understand it. Gemini 2.0 can generate this stuff too. So picture this. You're working on like a presentation, and you need a visual to illustrate like a complex point. Instead of spending hours searching online, you describe what you need to Gemini, and boom, it creates like a custom image or even like a short animation. Talk about a productivity boost. And you remember those custom TPUs I mentioned? Trillium, which is Google's 6th generation TPU, is like the engine that makes all of this possible. It's like giving Gemini 2.0 a supercharged brain, allowing it to process massive amounts of data like instantly. That's why all those real-time interactions feel so smooth and natural. But here's where it gets really interesting. All this power is being integrated into Google's entire ecosystem. So like think about searching for something complex on Google. Instead of just getting a list of links, Gemini 2.0 will give you like an AI-powered overview that synthesizes all the relevant information into an easy, digestible format. Need to know how climate change impacts coffee production in Brazil? Gemini will find all the data and Gemini present it in a way that makes sense. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Google Workspace, with docs, sheets, and slides, will become a hive of AI activity, all powered by Gemini 2.0. Imagine your documents practically writing themselves, spreadsheets crunching numbers, and creating insightful visualizations, and presentations that design themselves based on your spoken input. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working alongside you. But it's not just about making our work lives easier. Even your Android phone is about to get a whole lot smarter. We're talking about on-the-go AI assistants. That goes way beyond answering simple questions. Imagine your phone proactively reminding you to pick up milk on your way home because it knows you're running low, or it automatically books you a ride. When it sees like a meeting invite in your calendar, it's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. And hold on, because Google is also pushing the boundaries with some pretty mind-blowing research projects. One of these is called Project Astra, which is all about creating like a universal AI assistant. Imagine like an AI that can not only understand you in multiple languages and accents, but also like seamlessly integrate with all your favorite tools, from Google Search and Lens to Maps, and even like third-party apps. They're already testing Project Astra on Android phones. And the early results are astounding. Improved dialogue capabilities, enhanced memory, lower latency. It's all coming together to create an AI assistant that feels more like a trusted partner than just a piece of software. And then there's Project Mariner, which is focused on kind of revolutionizing how we interact with the web. Imagine like a Chrome extension that can understand like everything on your browsers, not just the text, but like the images, code, the layout, and use that information to help you like complete tasks. Need to book a flight, make a purchase, or fill out like a complex form. Project Mariner can handle it all, acting as like your AI co-pilot for the entire online experience. And for all the developers out there, Google is working on something called Jules. It's an experimental AI-powered code agent. That's like having a super smart pair programmer by your side. Jules can help you tackle like coding issues, plan projects, and even write code itself. It's like having an AI teammate who never gets tired and always has your back. So what does all this mean for the future? Well, one thing is for sure, Gemini 2.0 is more than just like a faster, smarter AI. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, a glimpse into a world where AI becomes our collaborator, our partner, helping us solve complex problems, unlock our creativity, and navigate an increasingly complex world. It's a future filled with potential, and frankly, it's pretty darn exciting. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of Gemini 2.0. Until next time, keep exploring.